Alright. Alright, so here's question 4 on chapter 7. Question 4 says, the horizontal force that an animal exerts on a large fruit it has found is observed and is shown in the graph in the figure. If the fruit has initially sliding on the frictionless ground at 5.5 centimeters per second, when the animals first grabbed it, by how much did the animal change its kinetic energy during this encounter? So, they wanted us to find the kinetic, how much change kinetic energy. So they want to find the energy, kinetic energy. So for this, we're going to be using the same thing that we've been using. So we know that from here to here and here. So energy or the work is going to be 1/2 because this right here is 1/2 of 5 and 10 equals 25.